A camper's battery may not be charging due to corroded connections, which is often the main reason for this issue. The process of charging and discharging the battery leads to sulfitation, a buildup of sulfate crystals on the terminals. To address this, start by disconnecting the battery and applying baking soda to the terminals to neutralize the sulfuric acid. Next, use a soft brush dipped in water to apply the mixture, allowing it to fizz for 2 minutes. Then, use a rigid brush to clean the terminals and the inside of the cable clamps. After letting the battery sit for a few minutes, wipe off the mixture with a clean rag and apply a sealant to the battery before reconnecting it. Another possible reason for a camper's battery not charging is faulty wiring and fuses. To investigate this, begin by turning off the power to the camper. Then, inspect the wires coming out of the converter for any loose or frayed connections. Tighten any loose wires and replace damaged ones as needed. If the issue persists, the problem may lie with the converter itself. To diagnose this, measure the battery's voltage while connected to shore power, and then again after disconnecting. A normal converter should produce a noticeable voltage drop when disconnected from shore power. If no voltage drop is observed, it may indicate a problem with the converter, requiring the assistance of a professional electrician to resolve the issue.